everybody. Yeah, I'm still doing it. Still working on play validation. Well, the thing is, I've been creating more and more and more plays, and I had to add some formations. I'm basically trying to create an every personnel setup, which means I want to have the base plays that that personnel supports. So I'm gonna have a decent number of plays. I think when this is all said and done, I have like 44 plays right now, and I will have, I expect, by the time I'm done doing these basic plays, I will have in the system 60-ish plays. I don't know how many more I've got to go for the base formats. I've got a lot of defensive, a lot of offensive. I've been creating a lot of offensive plays for different formations. I'm basically creating all the formations. Or, well, okay, not all the formations. I have a lot of formations, but probably not all the formations. And I'm also trying to create a pretty decent set of options as far as who's the target and that kind of thing. And then I've had to fix a couple formations because AI gave me some, so I had, it puts tight ends sometimes in weird places. So I've had to fix a few, which is fine. Minor fixes, just things I go in and manually take care of. But overall, we're getting pretty good. What are the odds? Odds are pretty good these days, it seems like, man. But that's all right. I like it. Come by, say hi. I appreciate it. What's the latest with you, Mr. Bot? Anything? I'm afraid to ask, but I gotta make my field for names here to be a little bit bigger because that one's kind of not big enough. This guy doesn't even have a route. What the heck? Oh, he's just blocking. Really? He's just running all the way into the inside of the line. Oh, -5. Oh, okay. So this guy must be running out. Oh, they're both running out and blocking the same guy. they're gonna run out to this spot and block. They're hitting like right in the middle. Kind of funny. I mean, it's functional, I guess. It just depends on who there. Sometimes they're gonna double block that guy so the running back can get around the outside. But I need to make this field bigger. I don't mind this one so much. I probably could make it bigger too, just because I have space. I should probably go in there and do that. You can't. Uh-oh. What's wrong with my... Am I like my volume down? No, I mean it's showing that it's going pretty high. You sure it ain't your end? Because my mic is showing that it's going all the way up into the stratosphere. It's like, got it cranked up. It's all the way up into the red. It's going high. Huh. I don't know, man. I got everything shows maxed here. Somebody else said that. It seems like every now and then my mic or something goes weird because it's showing. Look, I'll show you what it looks like. See, my mic is going all the way up to the red area here. Unless I talk really loud, but then even then it still goes up to there. Crank it up. That's as most that'll go. But I don't know if there's anything else to give it. That's the end. That's the max juice. And it's even close to my face right now. So I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Something. You sure? I know there's a way to adjust max, or sound, but I adjusted it before and put it at full blast. So unless it got reset somehow, which I wouldn't put it past. Per app mic volume. Let's see if I can do this. Windows 11. See if I can adjust this. All right, let's see. Right click on the volume icon. That's the wrong. Right click on the volume. Oh. Oh, whoops. Per app. Mic volume. Select the volume icon, quick settings, right click volume mixer. Drag the slider for that app. Nope, that's not mic volume. Enable and manage per app volume with volume. No. Mic volume. Per app mic volume. See, it's not, there's not a setting here for, all right, well, I'll just say microphone. I right click on this. Okay, let's try that. So we right click on the speaker icon. Wait. Let me take a look. All right, man. You have a good one. Hopefully I can figure out why things are misbehaving again. Use plug and play audio device default icon. So that is the right icon, the right mic being used. And let's see. Start test. Hello, 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 hello. I don't know. Did that actually do anything? That isn't very loud. That's true. That's not very loud at all. I don't know, man. This is volume 21%. Why is it 21%? This says 75% right here. Hold on. I'm gonna try something. Gonna go mute for a moment. Testing 1 2 3. 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 Okay, well, hopefully that's better. I turned it up to 100%. I don't know if that's going to be the main. Whoa. Hello. Whoa. That's way loud. How about now? Nope. That's still crazy. Wow. Wait, hold on. Still trying. Oh, yeah. All right, there we go. It's a lot louder. It should be a lot louder now. I've got it going full. It's going like full blast now. So hopefully, if barring my screaming into the mic, somebody will have to tell me if I'm getting way too voluminous. But yeah, it's hitting max volume sound now, without much effort actually. So I'm gonna actually turn it down a bit. Okay, well hopefully that's good. We'll go back to what I was doing. Yeah, I was gonna try to fix my couple of things here. Let's see, FTZ Web. We're in the play editor. This is a really big. I would like to break this down into separate components, but I probably won't. It's gotten pretty complex though. A lot of code. Look at that. 1,400 lines. That's a lot of lines. A lot of lines. Not a fan, but I don't like them when they get. To me, a file should be 500 lines. Excuse me, but I'm finding that hard to do, especially with data files. It's even harder with data files. But do what I can. All right, so normalize base play type field name encasing actions. Render route actions, route definitions. Prevent 90% prevent overflow. Handle unit click. Play ID, save success, save error, name. Update play, save play. Input play name. Okay, so we got play name. So this has got to be bigger. Mostly I got to see where everything is. All right, so this guy's only a flex, but this is the one I want. One-third and two-thirds. That one could be bigger though. All right, so let's see. There's the 1/3. That's the first part. 2/3 is this part. Play name. What if I go with? Let's try with 50%. Let's see what that does. Border. Not sure why that cut me off. I mean, it didn't get any wider either, because this is what I want. The flex 1/3 is that guy. This is Why isn't that reaching? Flex item center, justify center.
Was that for me?
No.
Got it. I'll just be there, ready to help whenever you need me.
Sure thing. Alexa's kind of like, hello, are you talking to me? No, wasn't talking to you. Stop trying to butt in on my business, man. Stop trying to butt in on my business. Okay, so like my input, I think I'm not sure why. I think we need to do some kind of a flex. It's like flex 1 or something. I forgot what it's called. It's like flex. Flex makes them stay in line. Flex 1, I think, makes them, or W full. No, W full is the stretch of the item, but that won't work for this because it's only doing a half. So if we do 50%, and I want those guys to probably take up the other 50%, so that would make the two buttons 25%. So let's try with. Let's try this. 25%. And this guy should be with 25% also. Let's take this out for a minute. I just want to see what that does if I take it out. Delete. It's probably not the way to go. I'm going to do it anyway. I want to see what it does. It didn't do anything really. It didn't, I mean, things actually got tighter, which is actually not the worst thing, but so I got my shadow. I don't know what happens if I take this guy. Flex, maybe I have to do flex full here. Because this one, these guys are all inside of there, so if I do that, is it flex full? I don't know. Oh, no, 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 no. I think I have to do like a flex -1. Let's try that. Ah, I didn't do it either. Gee! It's so annoying to figure out the right combinations of stuff. It's going to be similar to what I got going on down here because I've got these list box is doing essentially the same thing, except it's a smaller range. But all right, so this one, route definition is 50%, minimum width. I wonder if I have to put the minimum width in. Let's go put a minimum width on this guy. Width 50%. Let's see if I can do that. We'll go. I mean, technically it should look almost exactly like this, except I'm having different stuff. That one has a border. So we already have width 50% actually on that. So, but I did put it, no, I have to put it on that one though. Because this guy is the one that needs to change the size. It's not changing. Not changing at all. All right, let's try 40%. It's not doing it. Why? Why? What are you doing? So, why won't it go all the way over? What is going on? So maybe this guy needs to be upped. All right, let's go see here. Which is this one. I know I have, is it full? What is it? I know it's something full. Because it needs to take up the full width. W full. Alright, let's try W full. I'm going to go here and say, I don't know why it's only doing part, but we're going to say W full. W full. Oh, that did get bigger. Nice. Not totally sure I like that my buttons are kind of going off the page though. I mean, they're normally probably fine. But because of my shadows on my box, it's probably not fine. All right, so we're going to go with a different percentage here. We're going to go with well, I'm going to adjust to be similar because yeah, all right. So that is probably using up the full length right now. Yeah, we're doing pretty good there. Okay. So that kind of fixed it. Now we just need to, I'm going to go from 2/3 to, instead 1/3, 2/3. We'll try something like about 30%, 25. What did I do before? I think I did quarters, but I think that might be too little. So we'll go, it's probably too much. All right, so let's go. I can go 30%, but I think it is smaller than 1/3. All right, we'll go 30%. We'll try 30%. And then we'll go down here and we'll say 70%. It did give it more room, but it's pretty still pretty small. But I feel like 30%. What am I doing down here? Okay, so I'm doing 40%. Oh, no, that's 40% of that. No, we're fine. Never mind. That's a different thing. Let's close this one. This is the one. Unit filter. Karama! Hey, man. It's been a day. Been a minute since I saw you last. I mean, not that many minutes, but it's been a bit. I got to make my my name fields a little bit more usable. So play definition is currently at 50% of that, which is not the problem. Play definition is that's definitely not the problem. So the unit filter. All right, where am I? So we got play definition, route definition. And this is handle reset routes, handle undo last action, select position. No, that's filter. Oh, this whole thing is a component. I didn't know that. Well, that's probably good that it did it that way. I didn't realize it was set up as a component that was totally separate. It's probably good. I think it probably did it on its own. AI to the rescue, man. I think 30's too much, but I do want to take some away from this. I don't think 30's going to be enough for my purposes. So let's, man, it's a hard sell here. I feel like it seems weird to just do miniature amounts, but we're going to try it. We'll go 3%. We'll go 28. And then that would put me at, what, 72? This is just full. There's no, does that work? Well, I did push it out some. Feel like maybe not quite enough. What if I do go to 30? Didn't buy me that much space. 30's not that much better. It's kind of funny. All I'm doing here is taking what's left. Whatever's that's not taking, this takes everything else. And I thought I was doing the same as the above part, but maybe not. Apparently not. The questioning issue is if I can keep squishing here. I don't know if I want to squish anymore. I mean, honestly, I probably could be fine. I mean, it's probably going to be more than enough, but I just wanted to be able to see more of my names. And it's supposed to be running back screen left, right? So that's not quite all. I don't know why setting this at how am I setting this? So this is the whole div up here. What if I go that's the entire thing, though. I don't think it's going to change much. It won't. Okay. I was right. But if I want this guy to be the same as the one down there, we'll put him at 35. I'm not sure why that pushes it out so far. Do we have something making this way bigger than it should be? Offense, defense. But it's only 35%. Why is it pushing it so far over? I mean, the logic says that they're the same. I want to make this one wider. I don't think making this change. I mean, it should be adding up to 100, right? Oh, there we go. That was better. So we just said 35 and then full, which makes him take the rest. I don't know why it's not the same. It should be the same, but... Oh, because this one's at 40, but I don't want to go to 40 would make that take up more space, though. So it's still kind of wonky. But I think I'm good with it. Let's go ahead and leave it for now. All right. It got me more space to see what I'm looking at here, so hopefully it won't be as bad. All right, so is my QB using the running back target? Nope. I had to change this because, whoa. Shallow cross. Crossing dig. Tight end 1. So what I did here is I changed my pass skill to, well, AI decided it was a coordinate system, and I said, no, that's not what that is. So I wanted it to actually designate the primary receiver because I think that'll be a better way to do it. Now, the primary receiver does not mean it's the receiver the ball is going to go to, but it is the one the quarterback's going to look for. Tight end hitch. What am I doing? A tight end 2? Hitch is a thing. I don't know why I didn't use it. I don't know what PA cross is supposed to be. Tight end 1? Sure. Tight end 1. QB minus pass. Tight end 1. Okay. 22, 23. Tight Tight end flat. They're all tight ends. Go cute tight end, tight end. Oh, it's already set. Already done that one. Just got to create the image. Holy moly. They aren't kidding when they call this one a cross. That's going to be a cluster a cluster crash. We'll call it that. We'll call it a cluster crash to be politically correct. These guys are going to all go into there. It's going to be a pick play. I don't know how I'm going to call pick plays. I don't know. I want to have something in there to have. But hey, can you hear me all right, Karama? Because Mr. Bot came in a little earlier and said he couldn't hear me. And I'm curious if I fixed it. I kind of went and tried to adjust how my mic and stuff is working. I did get it to go louder. In fact, it's not even 100% right now. But and it's still way louder than it was. So let me know if you can hear okay. Because that's kind of an important thing. Let's see. So we got to go here. Minus pass. Run it back. Alright, and then we're going to go quick out, which would be him, so we're going to go here, minus pass, letter 0, 1. This is kind of annoying, but what I'm doing is I'm drawing the images. I'm having it build the images that are going to be used in the game. Flat route. What's a flat route? R1? Alright, so we got all those built. Now we got 32. Back shoulder. Is that another screen? Feels like another screen. Oh, back shoulder. Let's go to tight end 1. QB. Pass, tight end 1. Because you're going to throw it over his shoulder. That's my theory. And then tight end seam. Tight end seam. Occurred to me earlier I adjusted some running backs because they were all wonky. I wonder if I fixed that. Tight end seam, so T2? Sure. I think this is the seam, but oh well. Oh well. C'est la vie. I had guys all stacked up weird earlier, so I was like trying to. That's what I've been trying to do, is fix the routes and get everybody back online. So let's see if I missed any here. Oops, I still got the high slot quick routes. What are these? That's one of the ones I had to fix. I don't know what I slot is. What is that? That's a 2-0. How did I miss the 2-0 one? Okay. That should have showed up under 2-0. Quick out. That would be a W1 again, I guess. It's not really a quick out, though. I think this is more like W3 is a quick out. Oops. What did I do? Boinked. 2-0. Did I like miss some? Oh, I did. Alright, so we're going to click on that. And then, oh, that's a settle. Oh, so he needs to be to W3. Pass W3. I mean, this is more of an out route, but that's really not quick. That's like a 10-yard run. These are 10 yards. Because it's a small play image, so I couldn't, I didn't want to have it be, probably a good idea that I actually draw them out with better lines, because people are going to look at this and go, these are really short routes, but they're not. They're long routes, and I need to have it be like 0, 10, 20 kind of thing, or 10, 20, 30, or just put something, either put lines on them that designate their actual hash markiness. I don't know. It's not great. I guess I really wasn't thinking about the user in that one. I was thinking it's for my visualization. Crossing route. I guess we'll go W3 again. QB pass W. Okay. Now I think that's pretty good. I just got to do a quick scan here. Make sure I have everybody kind of fixed. I had some weird stacks of running backs and stuff at times, so I got to make sure I have. The biggest problems are when I have like threes. It seemed like that's when things got wonky, when I had threes. And I have a system set up in here to auto fix if the formations don't line up. I'm not seeing any real problem, because if they didn't, I can tell by the lines and stuff they're given. If the lines are off, that's when I know that the formation needs to be fixed. Because most of these guys are given positional filters, and they're not usually broken. I don't know why my pass block. Well, never mind. I do. Never mind. I do know why. All right, so I think we're good. I think I fixed all of those. I hope everybody's looking pretty solid. I had to fix all my tight ends. They were all broken. For a lot of these plays, but I think I fixed them all. Yeah. All right. We're going to go with that. I think I might have enough plays. Let's go see what this looks like. There's still some issues with, I still got to finish getting my favorite play selector working. There was some things that got broken in it. So it's back to favorite play selector. Now that I've got a bunch of plays, I'm probably not done creating plays, because even though I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 12 personnel sets, which is basically, I think, is that all of them? No, let's see, 0. No, I'm missing 0, 2 yet. I don't have, basically it's going to be 1 through 3 on all of them. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. That one's all there. 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 is all there. 3, 0, I'm missing 3, 1. And there is no 3, 3, because you can't go to 3, 3. So 3, 1, it looks like I'm only missing 2 sets. 3, 1, and 0, 2. 3, 1, and 0, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And 0, 1, and 0, 2. So I'm missing 3, 1, and 0, 2. That's not bad. In fact, let's go ahead and put Claude to work on those while I go look at my other thing. Claudius. Playbook data validation. Oh, nope. Can close that. Right. I believe there should be 2 more Base formations to create place for. Go ahead and have an agent take care. Have a couple agents build the place. Should be what, 0, what did I say? 0, 2, and 3, 1? Yeah, 0, 2, and 3, 1. Interesting though, can you have 5 receivers? I don't have a 0, 0, I don't think. A 0, 0 would be 5 receivers, which I think I actually should have. Whoa, don't want to do that. It's going to have to be something like colon 0, 0s. Nope, that's not right. Quotes. Still not. I mean, that's a open set. In fact, is there I am missing one last formation type. Personnel 0, 0. It is the purest possible empty set. No backfield, no tight ends, just wide receivers. This grouping is extremely rare in the NFL because you lose all pass protection help. You cannot threaten a run. Defenses can blitz freely. It requires a roster with 5 active wide receivers on the field, but it does appear in 2-minute drills, desperation passing situations, end of half Hail Mary setups, spread-heavy college influence packages, teams with hybrid wide receiver running back players. If your sim is absolutely valid and should be included, how 0, 0 personnel should look in your grid system. They created one for me. I'm going to take one. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. I don't know if I'm going to have it build it out yet for me. But I do want it. Just because I'm that kind of guy. I want it in there. It's just a thing, you know. Short, medium, long, screen. Screen? How do you do a screen? How would you do a screen in this formation? Receiver, back. High pressure, delay the target, throw over the rush, QB drops back and sells past, then dumps. The QB almost always uses a short drop. Okay, so it's really just a receiver that's just not going to advance on the play at all. So I guess, yeah, I could see it. Oh, I don't think I need to call it 0, 0. That's not a good number. 32. Let's just go to 33. I mean, it's an interesting concept to try to make these all match up to their. But I have multiple. I could have multiples of these, so I'm not going to try to do that. I don't think I have 33 as a 0, 3, 3. There shouldn't be more than one. Okay, there's not. All right. And we don't have any decimals, right? Yep, no decimals. Okay, should be good. I have another formation. Base formation. 0, 0. It requires only the 4 pass routes. Short. Pass short, pass medium, pass long, and screen. Have an agent work this one as well, so we can finish up the play. Okay, while that does that, let's go ahead and I'm going for a 10 o'clock sign off here. So what time is it? 51. So yeah, I'm going to try to sign off at 10 my time, of course, because of all the wonderful things I does. No, because I need to sleep. I've been getting up too early and my days have been getting screwed up and I've been getting really tired. And it's Friday tomorrow. I stay up late on Fridays, so I have to, you know, get some sleep. Let's try to sleep. I don't know if I'll sleep in. I have trouble sleeping past 5:36. I have slept in twice this week, but that was only after going to bed too freaking late, so I was still getting up too early. I'll be right back to get some water. Alrighty. Let's. Hopefully, I won't need to do too much more over here. I created a lot of plays. I don't know which ones are going to break on my way out, but I gotta get the images loading and then talk with popcorn in my mouth. Honestly, I'm kind of worried about updating these days. Thing is, Unity takes so long. I don't want to. It takes long to do stuff. Maybe before I go to bed. After I sign off. My daughter got money back from taxes this year. Not much, but something. I mean, actually, it's quite a bit, I guess. But considering she's pretty young and she doesn't have a lot of things going on, so that's good. I've owed for years, but this last year, finally, I got paid back. That's because I've been out of work. Oh, you know, our deduction, and we're not making as much money. I don't think we're paying any penalties for the money I've been taking out of our retirement because we're paying it as we take it out. I hope. Tomorrow, I will be doing a state of the game. So I'm trying to do that on Fridays. I didn't do it last Friday because I was kind of vacationing and didn't do a lot. But state of the game, where I just do a little summary of where I'm at, what I've done. I'm not going to have much to report other than the fact that I've created a boatload of plays, and with any luck, I can finish this. Probably not tonight, but I mean tomorrow morning or something, and then I'll do a state of the game in the afternoon and see how it goes. But let's go over. Oh yeah, let's go here and close down this guy. He does not need to be showing, nor does this need to be showing right now. And then we'll turn this whole thing off. And we'll start her up. Now I know some things are broken. So we'll see how things load up here. Now, I have had my computer crashing a bit more often lately. Why is this showing up down here like this? That's not what it's supposed to do. Hold on. All right, so we got restream. FFM running. That's the web thing, though. Oh, here we go. Let's put that down here by running. I'm going to change this to. Oops, rename it. Because gotta have things not saying the wrong thing. FTZF. All right. Fixed it. Well, sort of. I don't know why I can't get more on here. I've been trying to figure out how to get more of these options, ones that are more current, but it seems to be I'm stuck with what I have, so. There you go. All right. Where am I? So, things that aren't working or weren't working. I load here. My roster's not loading anymore. Why, you say? I have no freaking idea, because it was working when I left on vacation. Oh, what? It just took really long to load. Oh, weird. Well, it's kind of, I don't know if that, I think that's probably considered a bad thing, right? Slow load. Which is a problem because really it shouldn't be taking long to load because all the images are supposed to be down already and all the data is supposed to be local. So we shouldn't be having that many issues with it, but alas. Okay, so like when you look at this image here, okay, so this guy is actually a Reaper, Titan Reaper. All these ones with the background, those are defaults. These are ones that don't have their team identified yet. So if you're looking at ones without the background, well, that's what that means. So you got some that are actually Titan Reapers, which I would imagine there's a few of them. Maybe not. I don't know why I'm off the screen too. That's not great. But so I don't have that many that are actually Titan Reapers. I guess one. I only got one guy that's actually a Titan Reaper. And the entire, well, on this team, I guess that's true. This is just one team. They only have one Titan Reaper. I don't know who the Titan Reapers are, to be honest. I don't remember. Tennessee Titans, maybe? What's their colors? The Titan Reapers are what color? They're red and black? Huh. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, they're red and they're orange. Oh, no, they're not the Chicago Bears because there's no T. They're Titan Reapers. Who are the Titan Reapers? They're not the Patriots, right? Oh, that's too cool. That'd be too cool if they were Patriots. I mean, they don't deserve to have a cool character like this. Says me. They're not orange though. It's not the Broncos because those are the V-Born Scorned. Titan Reapers. Titan Reapers. Yeah, there's two T's in Titan. So it can't be. I only know of two teams that are orange and blue. Are these guys are red? Let's see if oh no, because you need to know the whole name. Titan Reapers is just, oh, that's the problem. I don't know the whole name. Because Titan Reapers is just their logo, not their whole team name. That's not the city. If I knew that, if I had the city, I probably could solve it. But I don't remember all these guys. I only know the V-Born Scorned. And these are the V-Born Scorned. Pretty cool, man. Eventually there'll be 3D parrot characters in here. At least for now, I'm thinking they're gonna stay with 2D until I can get all the 3D models made. I don't have them all. All right. Anyway, so that loaded. Good. I don't have to worry about that right now. All right. So I think I did get that fixed. Now this is one that's bugging the heck out of me because my playbook, the plays, refused to load the plays, and they did load before. It's just driving me crazy. I don't know why they stopped loading. And then they keep updating. They update Bezzy like every other day. It's driving me crazy. It's like freaking A, guys. once a week is enough. I feel like they've done it twice this week, 2 or 3 times this week alone. They're getting kind of, gotta say, a little sloppy because they're mostly hot fixes. I say sloppy. Let's see if it's another hot fix. Let's see. This is their recent fixes. They didn't even show you what they're not even showing what they did in this update. February 25th. Oh, that was yesterday. Yeah. I guess they did do it. Maybe I just did an update. Oh, maybe because I just didn't do it in a while. Let's see what they do. Plans include more implementation specifics, so you can tweak and get more predictable. Blah blah blah. Enable submission of custom freeform responses. Plans. That's the big thing they're working on lately. They updated to 4.6. Networking updates to limit timeouts. Okay, so I thought I already put this one in. I feel like that was recent, but I don't know. Got another update today. But it's probably going to make me do a plugin update too. Yeah, I got to update the plugin. Hopefully I don't have to reload. Alright, so I got to see why my things aren't, my plays aren't loading the images. 'Cause I just got a lot of cool images now. I should have tons of plays. Once I can do anything, because right now Bezzy's messing with my screen. I will add filtering to this, so even though I have all these, I'm gonna add a way to filter this down. Like right now, it's just offense, defense, which is a good start, but it's obviously allowing for a lot of pieces to be cards to be shown. A lot of offense now. Woohoo! Probably have a fair amount of defense too now. I may even have some specials. Oh, well, no, maybe not. Most of my special teams is a weird one. I don't really have a lot of special teams. I'm going to probably break them up at some point. Separate them out based on whether on their base play type instead of on their... What it might be is that I'll take all the ones that are base play types special and put them over on the special teams playbook. Just because even though they're offense and defensive plays, like kickoffs and onside kicks and all that stuff, just to keep them off the... Because they call them special teams. They are special teams plays, but logically in the game... They are, I mean, like, you have offensive special teams plays and defensive special teams plays. They're still offense and defense. They're just special teams. They're special, you have different people going out there, right? So, anyway, my playbook is still not showing the images. I don't know why. I may have to go in there and edit this. Let's see if it's the problem might be that I had some errors, maybe. URLs, images, plays, because I have images for just about every play. Load play image, return null for 335 stack fires on week. See, we don't even have that anymore. Oh wait, yeah, we do. Return null. So 16, there is a 16. So API images play. Huh. 8080 images plays. That play does exist. So the question is it my router that's choking it? Because I know D016 exists. Yeah, D. Well, I say that, and then I go look and don't see it. Okay. Oh, you know what I might need to do? Let me it might have a let me try something. I think the problem might be that I haven't changed my version numbers and things need to be updated. I haven't updated version numbers, and that's kind of the cleanup for my database. System settings. Yeah. Link settings, log settings. Link settings. Asset version. 1.1. I don't even know. I'm just gonna go 1.1.1. I may have to let's see if that fixes it. If not, I'll have to see what's going on. I'll have to have it I'll have to go find where it's getting that information and log it. Let's see. I don't think we're doing an asset version check. But see, the DO one I know should exist. I mean, that's like number 1. I mean, why wouldn't that exist? Play D001 PNG API play. So I go here. PNG PLY D001 right there. Public images plays. Huh. Yeah, that's not it's not working. But the question is, why? Why aren't you working? So the problem isn't the fact that it's not displaying it correctly. It's not loading it correctly. It's not even bringing it in. So why are we not bringing them in? Not getting errors, but we are getting, hello, what's going on? What's going on, man? Why are we compiling? I don't remember changing any code. I didn't change the freaking code! Ugly. You know, if I'm shrinking as the day goes on, if you see me going along here and I'm shrinking, the reason is my chair is the little cylinder is failing. In fact, this is my second chair that's failing. I had another one I was using just up until the other day, and I said, well, I have one in the garage. It's a pretty good chair. It's probably fine. So I brought it in because the other one was bad. I mean, I was literally, it's moving all the way to the top, and within 20 minutes, I was like 8 inches shorter. And then so I went and got the other chair out of the garage. Said, all right, let's use that one. And it's really kind of teaching me to stop leaning, because I keep leaning over on the armrest. This one doesn't have armrests. So every now and then I'm like, I gotta get myself back up. It's making me sit up straight. So it's probably a good thing. But the body's ability to subconsciously be lazy is amazing. I mean, I'll be sitting here like this, and by the time, and before long, I'm doing this, leaning back, and then I'm way down here, and I'm like, no. And then later on, I'm like, no. So if I'm shrinking, it might be because I'm just slouching over, trying to stop myself from doing it. I need a better chair. I have a chair on my wish list I want to get. It's like $400 though, so, or $300. I don't know. It's an expensive chair. I want a good chair, but it's a Broncos chair too, Denver Broncos. And there's actually a couple of them out there that have, team logos on them that are pretty nice. But one of them really has, like, the most prominent spot is the head of the chair. and they put the Bronco thing on the back. So on the head of the chair, they have the brand of the chair. It's like, I don't know what the weird brand is. It's a nice chair, but it's like, I don't want your brand to be more prominent than the logo. Bought the chair for the logo, not your brand. So I was like, so says me, I guess. All right, so let's clear this off and let's go see what happens on my loads. Let's see if the problems are during load. I did change the version number, so that should update the images. All right, what do we get? We can get a bunch of errors when it loads, I'd imagine. Syncing plays, it says. Images, play images. Okay. All right, so we definitely have a bunch of errors. These are definitely wrong, and it's a lot more errors. I got 95 plays now. Woo, is that even right? Do I have 95 play images? I don't think that's right. I mean, I did add a lot of plays, but I didn't realize I went up to 95. Holy cow, I did add a lot. 75 offensive plays. And this is from a fresh start, so everything was like 1 to 75. Crazy talk. I have 75 offensive plays, so that's a solid number of plays to have in the game, I think. So hopefully that's a good start. And I've got all, and that's not even all of them, because I just had Claude build the last few started, and that's not all I want to have. I want to have, these are basic plays. They just cover a fair amount of variety. And I'll probably put more options. Like the base default playbook will only have like 10 plays, and then over time you'll get more and more plays, and I'll start and I want to add like a lot more. I have the system built with actions like for motion and, you know, reverse and multiple handoffs and stuff like that. Maybe I want to do like a shovel pass, which is just, you know, pass to the guy, pass in front, and what do they call it? Hook and ladder? No, not hook and ladder. That's kind of a reverse, but what is it? What is it? I forgot what it's called when you do a shovel pass to a running back. Oh no, it's actually not a shovel pass to the running back. It's a handoff to the running back who turns around and pitches it back to you. So maybe it's he pitches it back to the quarterback who then passes it. So we're obviously getting some errors, but I think a lot more stuff is loading, obviously. But we have way too many. So logos loaded okay, but my images are failing. Why? Let's go see what the gateway says. Gateway, problem? Proxying team image request. Street hooks. Okay, so team. That's the team image. Team. Team image request return status 404 for logos. Well, we don't have all the teams, so some of them are going to 404. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the well, oh, here we go. Proxying playbook service. Playbook. That's play types. I don't want that. Successfully retrieve 35 teams. Get players. Do I not have? Is it not calling the teams? Huh. Let's go see what's going on here. Maybe. And it's failed to load image. That's where it plays. Okay, so let's go see if I need to hit it. I said I was gonna go to bed. Wait, what did I just ask? I asked for... all right, let me do this. All right, it's time to sign off. I have to sign off. I gotta go to bed. Till next time, God bless.